Oh no, little brother. Dad is sick. We have to go to this great tree and find the medicine that will save our father. Let's set off on this journey. Say goodbye to the townsfolk. It'll be a while before we see them again. I'll help you up. I'll pull this hard to pull lever. I'll help you swim. I'm your big brother and I'll help you through all of this. You'll help me too, 'cause you could squeeze in little spaces. This troll is helping us. Whoa, he's throwing us. Whoa, he's throwing us. Uh-oh, this troll is sad. He's missing his love. And she's trapped in a cage. We could get her out. Go get the key. Nice job. She's free. Uh-oh, she's gone. And the big troll noticed. Let's trap him in a cage. He's trapped. She's reunited. They're reunited at last. Oh no. We have to fight this troll. That was easy. Let's get out of here. Point us in the right direction, trolls. It's nighttime. Gotta fend off these wolves with fire. Stay with me in the fire, brother. They're scared of the torches. We gotta keep going to save Dad. Okay? Yeah. I know, Dad's sick. Look at this giant castle. Let's traverse it. We'll tether ourselves together. Look, there's a little griffin at the top. It's injured. Let's free it. We're flying on the griffin. It died. Its feather makes me think of the feather I used when I went fishing with Dad. Oh, man. I hope Dad's okay. Now we are in the land of the giants. It looks like there was a war and the giants were taken down. We gotta move these giants to get through. Those men have a lady tied up. Let's get big and scare them. Let's set her loose, brother. We're out. Now we adventure with this lady for a while. Invisible. There's an invisible troll giant stalking. We gotta hide behind the frozen people. Uh-oh, it's after us. Too big for the bridge, troll. Okay, well, let's keep going. Oh, she's hugging me. Oh, and she's kissing me. I like this girl a lot. I like this girl a lot. Into this cave? Okay, let's go. Don't mind if Daddy likes. Don't mind if I do. Uh-oh. This girl, she was leading us into a trap. That's why they had her tied up. She's actually a spider demon. She's got us in her trap. Here, I'll pull her legs off when you slam her. Oh, she got me with one of her small legs. Oh, I know Dad can sense this right now. My pain. Oh, whoa! Oh, brother, I may be dying. Go on without me. Go get the medicine from the top of that tree. Oh, oh. Bury me alive, brother. No, dead. I'm dead. griffin shall fly you back to Father. In your death, I will help you. I have taught you well. You can now swim, pull heavy levers, and jump up high places. I am your brother for life, and though I am gone, I live on with you forever, little brother. And Dad is saved.